Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another day of Derissmas. Today is finally my Boxy pop-up and a few Ipsy add-ons. Alright beauties, I just have my window open. Hopefully y'all don't mind the natural daylight, but I figured I'm not doing makeup, so let's enjoy the natural sunshine coming through the window. I just got my little Ipsy add-ons box, and I finally got my Boxy pop-up that I ordered December 9th. Yeah. My box is beat to death. So hopefully everything is fine, because we all know that BOXYCHARM doesn't actually package the things properly. They throw everything in the box and they wish you the best. So I'm going to dive in. If you are unfamiliar with the Boxy Pop-Up, if you do receive any BOXYCHARM subscription, you can shop the Boxy Pop-Up, which gives you up to 80% off of top brands, beauty, skincare, hair, things like that. It is a really great way to try higher end products, luxe products, items that have been in previous BOXYCHARMs, and get them for a very, very inexpensive price. So I'm very, very excited to dive in. I hope everything is okay in here. Again, ordered this November 9th, and it's so strange because I ordered Caitlin's stuff November 10th, and she got her stuff like 2 weeks ago. So I'm like, I don't know how that worked. They at least put paper in here this time. Boxy, Merry Mother effing Christmas to me. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take everything out, and then I'll BRB. Alright, beauties, everything is out of the boxes. Sadly, a few of these things were supposed to go in giveaways, but obviously I didn't have them to put into giveaways. But it is what it is. I did get 3 sets of these Luxie eye brush sets. I was going to keep one for myself and then do 2 in giveaways. So I will put 2 up for future giveaways, of course. But these were like $4 or $6 a piece. Hello. And I love Luxie brushes. They're very good quality. So I'm really excited to have these. And so far, they put a ton of paper in there, which is shocking because they normally don't. So far, everything looks okay. So we're off to a good start. Next up, I got this Addons, or Addons, I'm not quite sure how to say it. Organic infused age-defying nail treatment. It's a sweet almond cuticle oil. And we know I'm all about oils, and it just sounded amazing. And I think this is only like $4 as well. Things, again, are very, very inexpensive on there. Next up, I got this Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. It is 24 karat gold infused for hydrating, priming, and setting. I've wanted this for a long time. Y'all know I'm all about hydration with this dry skin. I'm actually going to try this right now. And I will look for my little receipt because they don't send you anything. So I will look for my email and put pricing of everything, like what retail would have been and what I paid for everything. But I want to try this so bad. It says shake gently before use. Hold bottle 8 to 10 inches away from the face and spray on bare skin or over your makeup. Oh, it's pretty. It is quite heavy, like heavy, heavy, you guys. If you have this, comment down below how heavy this feels. It is a glass bottle, has a nice gold cap on it. It does look really beautiful. So I'm going to, it says shake gently. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to prime it first. There we go. Oh, the mist is nice. Very wide mist radius, and it is very soft, as you can see. Oh, it doesn't smell the best. Oh, I love the mister. It almost just kind of smells like a lightly scented alcohol, like alcohol, but got diffused a little bit. But it feels nice nonetheless. Oh, wow. And it is quite glowy. Ooh, bitch, I like this. Damn, I should have got another one. I'm going to get another one of these if they offer them again. Now I have spray literally everywhere. Next up, so many of you guys got this last month. Of course, I ordered this in November. Got this in your thing, and so many people raved about this. So I was like, bitch, I got to have it. And again, it was only $4 or $6. It is the Yensa Pumpkin and Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. I'm over the moon excited to try this. It has the Superfood Cosmetic with 8 Super Orange Essence. It has pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. That sounds amazing. So yeah, I'm excited. I will update you guys, of course. Next up, I got this Alamar Lip Gloss in the shade Coquetta. They are a cruelty-free and indie brand. I have a palette by them. I just got a contour palette. I haven't tried that yet. And I have a blush palette that I think we got in BOXYCHARM a long time ago. I thus far love their formula. And I've heard fantastic things about their lip gloss. First of all, that packaging is stellar. That is beautiful. Has some weight to it. I am going to try it. I just have on my little lip oil from the Crystal Bitch. I've heard great things about this lip gloss and Manny MUA Lunar Beauty. I've heard fantastic things about their lip gloss as well, so I want to try it. Y'all know that I'm not a lip gloss beauty, but I'm on this journey. I'm on a path, if you will. A path of gloss. Trying to find one that is non-tacky and not gloopy and doesn't give you the weird butthole lips. Like that ColourPop one. I should link that right here. That was funny. So yeah, I've heard great things. We're going to dive in. I do like the doe foot. I'm going to smell it. I don't smell anything, but I'm still smelling alcohol, I think, from the spray. Yeah, I don't smell anything. Let me know if you guys smell anything. I just smell alcohol still, I think. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. Not super opaque. It doesn't claim to be, though. Okay, I like it. It's nice. It's not completely tack-free. But damn near close. That is really comfortable. And when I'm talking, you're not seeing my lips kind of stick together and then peel up and give that weird, no, can't do it. Can't do those. This I like. It is very comparable to the way that the Glam Light one is. Like, it's nice and comfortable, feels moisturizing. But it does have some stick to it, some tackiness to it. I like that. I will use that. All right. Next up, I got the Milk Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel. I already know I'm going to like this because the dub one I got in the previous Boxy Pop-Up, I'm obsessed with and I love. And again, these are normally, I think, 18-ish. I'm not quite sure. Again, I put prices, and I think it was $4 or $6, something like that. I mean, everything here was around between $4 and $8, like kind of give or take. Next up, I'm really excited to try this. So I don't know if I want to try this first or the little teeth brightening mouth tray thing I got in my BoxyLux. This is the Smile Sciences Prescription Strength Teeth Whitening Pens. There's 2 pens in here and they are mint flavored. And I think literally you just brush your teeth and put it on. Yeah, brush your teeth and floss. Twist the pen to dispense. Smile wide enough to keep the lips away from your teeth. Dry your teeth and apply a thin layer of the gel to the teeth, keeping it off of your gums, and then rinse it after 30 minutes. Okay, so for best results, do not eat, drink, rinse, or anything for 20 minutes after you do it. So I will update you guys on that as well. Next up, I got the Alamar Spanglish palette. I'm so excited. I did, of course, get both of these together. And again, this was like $6 or $8. I am very excited to have this. The very first Alamar product that I tried, I think probably most of us tried, was the very first like little yellow palette. I cannot remember. Reina del Caribe, I think is what it was called. But we got that in a BoxyCharm 2 years ago, I think. I'm trying to get it open. I can't get the damn thing open. But we got that like 2 years ago and I was floored. I was blown away. I literally used it that entire summer. I absolutely love that formula. So I already know if this is the same formula, I already know I'm going to love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Love their formula, and I thought it would be really, really beautiful. So I'm excited to have both of these from Alamar. And next up, I was so damn mad at every single one of you. I was mad at everybody that got this damn thing. Because I still have my hunky junky one that I've had for like 3 years that I need to throw away. But it's the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I absolutely love my OG one. Again, I've had it for years and I kind of was refusing to throw it away. So when I saw everybody getting this in their BoxyCharms and I didn't get one, I was a little jealous. I was a little green. I was a little envious until I saw it on Boxy Pop-Up. I was really excited. And I think I paid $12 for it. I am so mother effing excited. I love Too Faced's formula overall. I've had a couple duds with their eyeshadow palettes, but no company is going to be 100% across the board. This smells, I smelled it as soon as I opened it. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm not even like a chocolate fan. I don't eat chocolate very often, but damn, that smells good. So I'm excited to have this and I can finally actually toss my other one. Will I throw it away? We shall see. So I love this. Very excited. Next up, these are for my guys for their stockings. I got 2 of these Spongel men's. I don't know why I didn't know they had men's ones. Super Buffer with built-in body wash. And it's a scrub, cleanse, and hydrate all in one. And I got a bergamot one and a verbena one. Caleb loves these. Like I gave him whatever the orange one was in the last Boxy Pop-Up. I gave him that. He was obsessed with it. I love these. I will caution you, if you're somebody like myself and you have very sensitive... Holy hell. Oh my gosh. Okay, beauties. Even if you like a more kind of masculine scent, oh my God. Look, y'all. Y'all need to get these for your significant other, for yourself, for your son, for whomever. They smell fantastic. Anyways, I'm squirreling. But these are typically $20-ish. Again, they're around $4 to $5. I'll put pricing. I will caution you if you have very sensitive skin. These are extremely aggressive and extremely rough for the first 1 to 2 times. After you use it and you soak it properly, it does not feel that way. I will tell you that the very first one I ever got, I got in like a swap sister thing years ago in a group that I was in. And I tried it, and the second I put it on my skin, I was like, no, hell no. But I had remembered that she had said the same thing. She was like, look, they're very, very aggressive. It feels very rough the first time that you use it. But I put it back under the water. I gave it a couple more minutes to kind of get filled with a little bit more water. That first time I used it, it was very aggressive. But by the next time that I used it, it felt fantastic. They last a long time. They really do a great job of kind of exfoliating the skin and stuff like that as well. They smell beautiful. I cannot rave enough about them. Like, the hype is for real with the Spongel. I will just say that because I honestly feel like if she had not told me that, I would have put that on my skin that day and got kind of scraped a little bit. It's very aggressive. I would have thrown it in the trash instantly. So just FYI on that, if you have not tried them yet, give them a shot. And they do last a very long time. And oh my God. I'm going to get some of these for me. These smell amazing. So again, verbena and bergamot. Holy shit. Those smell great, y'all. And then the last thing, I'm so excited to have this. Make sure it's the last thing, yeah. And then the last thing, you guys, I'm so excited to have this. Every time I see like merch, clothing, whatever, in big girl sizes, it's all sold out. But this time I happened to get in on the sale on the Boxy Pop-Up as soon as they did it. And I got one of these shirts from Kathleen Light's little thing called Light's Label. That's what it looks like. It feels quite thin. I don't mind that. I mean, I'm not sure how much she charges, like regular price. It is fairly thin. Like, you can see my fingernails and stuff through there. I don't typically mind that. Of course, I always wear a tank top or a cami under everything that I wear. It's just more comfortable for me that way. But I just thought it was so beautiful. I love her. I love her aesthetic. I'm really excited to have this. Super excited. I did get a 2X. Hopefully it's a standard 2X and not more like a schmedium. And we know I don't wear no schmediums. But yeah, I think it's so beautiful. I'm excited. I love it. Okay, we're going to dive into just the couple things I got in my Ipsy add-ons. All right, now we're going to dive into just the couple, literally 2 little add-ons I got from my Ipsy. It is kind of the same premise as Boxy Pop-Up. If you do get any version of the Ipsy Glam bag, every month you can add very discounted, heavily discounted makeup, beauty, hair items, things like that, for very inexpensive, and it just ships and comes to your house. So with that, I only got 2 things, but I'm really excited about both. First up is this Manicadar Beauty Nailed It Neutrals nail polish set. How mother effing stunning is this, you guys? It has On Point, Noteworthy, Goals, Overachiever, and 5-star, kind of going in order this way. I think they're stunning. You guys know that I'm super duper into painting my nails because, you know, you guys see my nails and it forces me to not be lazy with my nails. I do want to open this because these are beautiful. And this is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I thought it was going to be. Did y'all see? I almost stabbed the shit out of myself. It was about to be a man down situation up in here. But I thought they would be more like mini size. You guys, that component is gorgeous. Okay. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That looks very luxe, very pretty. I do want to quickly see what the wand looks like. I'm really picky about my wands. Not my favorite. It is at least a wider wand, but I like the ones that are kind of scooped at the bottom of it, almost the way that like a concealer brush looks. I think that's why I like the Lights Lacquer ones so much. Oh, hey, look at that, y'all, look. So I'm really excited about these. I will update you guys, of course. And then the only other thing that I got was this little SL Miss Glam little fluffy shader brush. Has like the cute little diamantes on it. I'm obsessed with these kind of brushes, and honestly, again, I've said this before time and time again, this is why I rave about subscription boxes, you guys, especially for somebody like myself that you are on a budget. It is the most inexpensive way, in my personal opinion, the best bang for your buck, to try so many different brands that you otherwise probably would have never heard of, would never try. And you can try all these different things. Then if you really, really love them, you can either go back, hopefully, to the BOXYPOPUP or your add-ons and purchase it. Or you know, through trying it at a more inexpensive cost, you know then, do you like it? Do you love it? Do you loathe it? Then is it worth you going and spending full price on it? So I love getting these. I honestly, you guys, if I did not have BOXYCHARM and Ipsy and stuff like that and Allure for so many years when I did get Allure, I wouldn't have shit. We're gonna keep that real. Okay. So that's why I am all into subscription boxes. Again, heading into January, I'm going to have to postpone all my boxes, for at least a couple of months. This is, you know, obviously holiday month. I sent out a lot of packages to a lot of people. Caleb's birthday's this month. It's a lot all at one time. So I hope that you guys understand that. For the next few months, I might keep Boxy. I don't know. But for the next few months, you're not going to see subscription unboxings and things like that here. But we're going to be focused really on makeup. I have a new series also coming to my channel. Can you take a guess? What do you think it's going to be? But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. If you got a BOXYPOPUP order, what did you get? And what did you think about what I got? Go get these. I'm getting some more when they come available again. But that is it, beauties. Thank you so much. I love you. I value you. And I appreciate you so, so much. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.